stepping up an attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh has claimed that the foundation ceremony of Ram Temple in Ayodhya on August 5 is being organized keeping the convenience of the Prime Minister in mind. Singh, who is also a Rajya Sabha MP, further said that the beliefs of Sanatan Dharma and religious sentiments of people are being ignored by holding such an event at an inauspicious timing. Referring to Swami Swarupanand Ji Maharaj, he tweeted in Hindi, the foundation ceremony of Ram Temple in Ayodhya is being organized at an inauspicious time. Swami Swarupanand Ji Maharaj, the most senior Shankaracharya of Dwarka and Joshi Math of our Hindu religion, has very clearly alerted about this. Linking inauspicious timing with the rising cases of coronavirus across the country, he further said, it is the result of ignoring the beliefs of Hinduism that all the priests of Ram Temple have tested COVID-19 positive. Not just this, Kamala Rani Varun, the Earth Minister, has died due to coronavirus. The Uttar Pradesh BJP chief has also tested COVID-19 positive. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also hospitalized after being infected. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and State President are also COVID-19 positive. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has also been infected. Moreover, the Congress leader has appealed Prime Minister Modi to postpone the foundation ceremony scheduled for August 5 to a new date keeping the Mahurat, auspicious timing, in mind. The center of faith for crores of Hindus is Lord Ram and one should not play with such beliefs. I again request Modi ji to postpone the inauspicious Mahurat of August 5. After hundreds of years of struggle, the time of the construction of Lord Ram Temple has come. Kindly stop it from getting disturbed, he tweeted in Hindi. In another tweet, Singh asked why Prime Minister Modi and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath were not quarantined at a time when their colleagues have tested positive for coronavirus. Should the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and the Prime Minister of India not be quarantined in these circumstances? Is the obligation to go to the quarantine only for the general public, not for the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister? Quarantine deadline is 14 days. Modi ji, by doing the foundation stone laying ceremony at an inauspicious time, how many more people do you want to send to hospital? Yogi ji should explain to Modi ji, why are all the limitations of Sanatan Dharma being broken while you are there? And what are your compulsions that you are letting all this happen? Congress leader said. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi is expected to reach Ayodhya at around 11 am on August 5 and he is likely to stay there for around 3 hours.